In this video, I'll show you how to use SankeyEngine to create advanced Sankey diagrams in Excel. SankeyEngine is not just a visualization tool, it is an analytical framework running directly inside Microsoft Excel. First, highlight the data you want to visualize, and click the Sankey diagram icon. Select one of the three analytical views. Alright, let's see the structure analysis. The whole point to the power of this view is to look for the flows of the direct neighbors and show the current status. We've designed this engine to be a real-time system. You can click on any node that is used during the analysis. Now, let's see the downstream analysis. The whole point to the power of this mode is to look for a change in a single node and trace the future impact. You can run this deep analysis on any node from the furthest point to the direct neighbor. Instead of using a slow, static view, SankeyEngine dynamically simulates the domino effect based on the selected node. Now, take a look at the upstream analysis. The main logic behind this mode is to look for a bottleneck in a complex workflow and find the root cause. As we follow the lines back to the start, we can see exactly where the pressure comes from. If you have further questions about our analytical engine, don't hesitate to contact us.